In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your IP address on Google Chrome. Whether you're trying to protect your privacy, access content that's restricted to certain geographical regions, or simply want to explore how your browsing experience changes according to different locations, changing your IP address is a handy trick to have up your sleeve. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you need is a VPN, or Virtual Private Network, extension installed on your Google Chrome browser. A VPN acts as a bridge, encrypting your internet traffic and routing it through servers in various locations around the world. If you haven't installed a VPN extension before, you can simply go to the Chrome Web Store, search for a reputable VPN extension, and add it to your browser. Once installed, you'll see an icon that represents the VPN extension right next to your Chrome address bar. Clicking this icon is your first step. After opening your VPN in Extensions, you'll be greeted with an interface showing a list of servers located in different countries. This is where you start crafting your online identity, location-wise. Choose the server located in the country where you want to appear to be browsing from. For instance, if you're interested in accessing content available only in the UK, you'd select a server located there. Generally, you'll find an easy-to-navigate list or even a map from which to select your desired geographic location. Connecting to a server might take a few moments, similar to how you'd connect to a Wi-Fi network. Just be patient during this brief pause. Once the connection is established, all your browser traffic, meaning the data exchanged between your device and the internet via Chrome, will be routed through the VPN. This gives you a new IP address tied to the server's location instead of your actual one. Effectively, your online identity, as perceived by websites you visit, will now be based on this new IP address. This change not only helps in masking your true geolocation, but also enhances your online security and privacy, making it more difficult for third parties to track your browsing behavior. A quick tip while you're using a VPN: if you experience any slowdown or issues accessing certain sites, try switching to a different server. Different servers might offer different speeds or reliability based on their traffic and how close they are to your physical location. Also, remember to disconnect from the VPN or close the extension when you're done browsing, especially if it's on a shared or public device, to ensure your network connection and IP address return to their normal state. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily change your IP address on Google Chrome using a VPN, offering yourself a layer of anonymity and freedom on the web. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!